Hi, in this video, we are going to discuss a very common issue we face while we create ceiling models. So the issue is we have used the @inject annotation, but while we see in the ceiling model, the properties will give us null value, and we will also see the usage of annotations @inject value map value and @via. So let me go to the demo. What I have done, I have just created a simple component in which I have given one property called a JCR title. Maybe I will just enable the debug mode of my code. I will refresh the page, and if you see, this is nothing but what I have used is @inject annotation, and I'm trying to fetch the title because I'm using @named property. So if you see, it's giving me null. I have used @inject, but it's giving me null. Whereas if I see, I have used @value map value, same named property, and it's giving me the value. Okay, so why it is not giving me the value with @inject annotation? So here comes the usage of @via annotation. What I will do, I will just let me stop the debugger. I will just uncomment these lines. I will explain what is the usage of these @via annotation. I will save it and I will just apply the code. Yeah, let me install the bundle. Let's give it just a minute. It's active now. Let me just start the debugger again. Okay, and this time if I refresh the page and I will check it, basically with @inject annotation only, I'm getting the value. So basically I'm using @via annotation here, and I'm telling use the resource, because the problem is if we use multiple adaptables, right? Here I'm using two adaptables. One is resource and another is ceiling HTTP servlet request. If I would have used only resource, then there is no problem with getting only with inject annotation. But if we use multiple adaptables, right, then you will not get value using just only using @inject annotation. We have to use @via. Now why we were getting value with value map annotation? If we see the documentation, right, so yeah, @value map value, it by default takes resource if the adaptable is also set with the ceiling HTTP servlet request. So that's why we were able to get value, because the injector was value map only, and this property is also value map. That's why. So next time if you face this issue, and if you are using multiple adaptables, just use the @via, and there are other bindings as well. You can pass within via annotation, and then you can use @inject annotation. Hope it will be useful to you guys. Thank you so much.